Welcome back to the Easy Money channel. Listen up. I want you to drop your answer in the comments right now. What is that one small daily expense you know you should cut, but you just can't? Give me your answer and stay until the very end because today we are going to break the financial trap that is stealing your million. And by the way, if you find this content valuable, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. It's the best way to support the channel. Now, let's get down to business. I want you to think about one expense, something you do automatically every single day. How much are you paying for that coffee? 5? $6? It seems insignificant, right? That's the trap. Most gurus tell you to worry about your mortgage or your car loan, but there is one small thief that is stealing your financial freedom. Let me introduce you to the $30 rule. $5 a day, 6 days a week. That's $30 leaving your pocket without you even blinking. And this habit is engineered to keep you poor. If $30 a week doesn't sound like much, think bigger. That's over $1,400 a year. Over $1,400 evaporating into temporary caffeine. And what do you get in return? Nothing. Your mortgage can appreciate. Your investments can grow. But your daily coffee is an asset that loses its value in 5 minutes. You are pouring your future into a paper cup. This is where the licensing psychology kicks in. Your brain tells you, I've been disciplined all day. I deserve this coffee. You use it as an emotional excuse to spend, a license that sabotages you. The difference between those who build wealth and those who live paycheck to paycheck is not how much they earn, but how much mental energy they spend on micro decisions. Coffee is a micro decision that drains your potential. And the real impact is terrifying. The annual cost of that coffee, $1,440, is the exact amount needed to start building that walking away money that gives you freedom in your job. You are trading your freedom for a drink. Now let's get to the revelation that will make you quit that fancy coffee forever. What happens if that annual $1,440 is invested in an index fund at 10%? In just 30 years, that small coffee cup will have cost you over $260,000. And if you save for 40 years, you could have reached $1 million. The real power is not in the saving, it's in the acceleration. Cutting those $30 a week is like turning on the rocket fuel for your investment plan. Those micro savings turn into macro gains. Your coffee stole your million. Stop underestimating the $30 rule. Every financial decision, no matter how small, is a choice between today's consumption and tomorrow's freedom. Choose your future, and I'll see you in the next video to break another financial trap.